All right, so today we're going to talk about how to do laundry in some smaller, maybe some odd size spaces that maybe a traditional laundry wouldn't fit in properly. So a couple different options here. We're standing in front of a compact laundry set here. Compact laundry is really popular in Europe. They make it the same size as a dishwasher, so it's only 2 feet wide and 34 inches tall. You can fit this underneath of a kitchen counter if you wanted to. But one nice aspect to these is if you're ever looking to put the laundry into a new area, the dryers are ventless. They run on a heat pump system and they only run on 110. So all you really need to be able to get this up and running is a 110 electrical, which is a standard household plug, water in, and then a drain line out, and then you're set to go. Now this set here we have installed on pedestals, so they're a little higher, a little easier to get in and out of, but like as I mentioned, without the pedestals they're only 34 inches tall. They can fit in a lot of spaces and they're very narrow. The other option you can do is right over here, where we have these stacked, and then all together here you're only looking at probably about 72 inches in height, so right around 6 feet, and you're still maintaining that 24-inch wide area here. And you can even get some cool stacking kits here, which will have a folding table integrated in here, and you can get some of your accessories. So it's a great space-saving option. All right, so if you had maybe a little bit more room in terms of width and everything, LG does offer these pre-stacked units. So you're going to have one integrated control panel to run the dryer and the washer, so it's very height accessible and also brings the height down over a traditional front-load stacked unit. And it's available with a handful of different options. So you can get this vented or non-vented, your call. They have a heat pump option. Now with these, to make sure, you do need dedicated electrical lines for the washer and dryer. It is going to run 220 or 110, or you can get it in a gas option as well. And then one of the newest things that's come out over the past few years are the all-in-one washer and dryer sets. So I'm standing in front of a GE here. They were one of the first ones to bring out the full size. Compact ones have been around for a while, but now you can get them up into 4.8, 5 cubic feet, so you can do your full-size loads at home. And what's really neat about those, like I had mentioned on some of the compacts, it's ventless, so you don't need to have any venting, and it runs on a single 110. So it's really simple to get installed into a new area. It's just water in, drain line out, and you're up and running. They're going to come in varying size, but you just need space for one front load washer, and then you have your washer and dryer integrated into one area.